I'm an associate professor at NTU in mechanical engineering. Robotics is a combination of many different things. It's very exciting for us to see that, everything we have been developing in the lab now find the place where they can be best utilized. The full demo took 9 minutes, but it took us 2 years to program the robot so that it can do this task in 9 minutes. There are a lot of things, behind the scenes that are not shown on the social media, but I mean, we have broken a few chairs, in the process of doing that. We're taking a very long time to get the program right so that it can tackle this task with robustness. Every conferences, there's a session on the ethics of robotics, ethics of automation. So my thought on it is, of course, what I want my automation, the systems that we create to do, is to relieve workers from tedious, non-fulfilling, dangerous, unhealthy tasks. If there are less work, human work required because of that, then everybody should work less. And I think this is the kind of society that, as roboticists, we have to work towards.